Okay, let us start the session. So today what we discuss, right? So I need to today topic uh, sample project. Okay. So in this sample project, we are dealing with SCM. So SCM as an GitHub తీసుకుందాం. Okay. Now, so we are creating the remote repository. Fine. But we required for the project code, right? So we require some sample project. So how we don't have any project right away. So we don't have any developers. I am solo like a solo employer. So I need to learn everything. So then I need to choose Maven, right? So here I need to learn about the Maven. So what is the Maven? It is a build tool, right? So build tool here Maven will support for all the Java based project. So n number of Java based sample projects is available in the Maven. So Maven lo so చాలా sample projects available ఉన్నాయి. So we need to take one like a web app అనే ఒక project తీసుకొని then we need to implement, right? So then that time we can use MVN archetype. So archetype generate this command is that we are getting the n number of projects. So we need to get one sample project, right? One sample project తీసుకొని we can able to work. So next then we need to go for deploy. So Tomcat. So here we need to deploy. So just a plain project, okay? So just we are not doing any testing, we are not doing any stage, so any similar kind of things. Just we need to take the code based on the sample code. We need to get some project. Based on the project, we need to build the next. Once the build is completed, that particular like what are the output we get, that output will deploy into the our deployment server, right? These are the things we need to go. So next we need to go discussing. So this is the some port number will be there. So 8080. So now how we are able to CI/CD process using with the help of Jenkins. Okay. So with the help of Jenkins. With the help of Jenkins, the port number is 8080. So these are the four. So four tools we covered right away. So that is the how we are able to using of this thing. So how we are able to create the job using freestyle, right? So freestyle. So these are the things we need to achieve. So now we are doing the sample project, so achieving these things, right? So first what we require, first one GitHub account is required. Later, what we need to, so one GitHub account is required. Later, we need to create a servers. So servers, right? ఇక్కడ మనం then we need to create a one Jenkins. So when this, so we are elaborating the entire project. So here we covered a lot of things. So so previously we launched the Jenkins server, right? So that the point of time what we discussed, like what is the Jenkins dashboard, what are the settings will be there, what is the system configuration, what is the tools, and what are the plugins, what are the credentials, what are the nodes manager. So these are the things, right? So Jenkins server we discuss it. Now today we need to discuss about the cluster management. Okay, so we need to create. So avoiding for the overburden. So we need to give the some cluster management. Does it sense? So when the build will be happen, so that build will won't trigger into the main server. So it will be triggered into the worker servers. So how to build the cluster? Cluster also we need to build. Okay, those so who are taking these classes for 10 days, I am taking only for the 1 to 2 hours only. Okay. So Jenkins cluster management. The cluster management, how to set the nodes. Nodes all those things. Okay. Nodes all those things. So first I am taking the here in AWS account. So AWS account. I am taking the three servers, okay, in EC2 3, okay, three I am taking. So one for Jenkins, one for Jenkins agent, another for Tomcat. Okay, these are the servers I am taking. So this is the 8080. Now this is the agent. This is the thing of 8080, right? Now what we need to require, these all the servers we required one prerequisite is currently we are working with the Java based project, right? We need to install the Java as well. Okay, prerequisite. So this is our pre-requirement. Pre-requirement in the sense, first, what are the things we need to collect? So next, once you are get the entire info, what we are doing the action plan, right? So here we need to install the Java. So I need to take one Java version. Then we need to try to Java version. Here I am taking the Java version. Okay, this version I am taking. So Java version I am taking the like sudo install Java 11 Amazon CentOS. Okay, so this thing we need to take. So later we tried a 17, right? 17 might not be work in the Jenkins. So similar to we need to go for some which one we are taking 20 20 version we are taking, right? Alternative, so not this. So we need to take so this we need to take 17, 17 also we try first. Later if it not work we need to go for another. Okay, this is the thing. First we need to go for the stable 17 version. If it will work or not, we'll check. So now what we need to do, we need to log in our the AWS account, right? So first we need to log in our AWS account. Later we can do. Okay, up to here clear, right? So there are multiple things will be there. Okay. Then clear up. Clear, right? Up to here clear. Now what we need to do, we based on the credentials, we need to log our AWS account. So then I need to so okay, AWS console login. So using is a root email. So go to login, root, and give the credentials as well. Sign in. Verification code. So verification code, please provide. Double 0 1 4 double 1. So we are able to entering into the AWS account. So then what we need to do, so we need to do like create one EC2 instance. First I need to launch the 3 EC2 instances. Go to launch instances. We are taking as an 3. Okay. So taking as a 3. Better to do one thing. Okay. So better do. Okay. So then micro not sufficient. Then I need to go for 2 PCs. So, oh, written also this will be available. So this is sufficient. T3 small. I can take the T3 small. So now create the key pair. Required bash one. So create key pair. It will be downloaded for me. Now go to create a security group. Okay, as the security group has been created. So all traffic. This is easy. I'm giving the launch instances. That's it, right? So what happened? Launching instance failed. Task. Yeah, success. So all the 3 instances has been created. Now I can name it as a Jenkins agent of Maven. This is the Tomcat, right? These are the things we are. So first we need to set up the Jenkins server. First Jenkins server setup చేద్దాం. Later we need to do the another steps. So just go to here, copy mobile shop. So username, user, go to advanced, go to key, point our key, then okay, accept. Control plus L. Now what we need to do, first we need to install the Java, right? So it's go to here. So don't want to think. So go for anything in documentation only. Installation Jenkins, Linux, right? Linux. Ubuntu Fedora. These are the steps we need to follow. Just so long version, long term support to the release. So this is the weekly release. Fedora, and LTS for AWS. So this one is required. So our thing is here only Red Hat. So Red Hat thing. So this is the thing. Add the repo. Similar to we need to install the Java as well. Later we need to install the Jenkins. Okay. So this long term version we need to take. So then connected, right? So then first I need to install the Java first. Then install Jenkins, right? The Java in being installed. Starting installation. So Java has been installed. Now check the version of the Java. So similar to S17 only, right? We are getting the 17. Later we need to add the Jenkins repo first. Here only. So take this repo. So done, right? Next. So Jenkins we are installing. So now start the Jenkins, right? So failed. The 17 is not working for Jenkins. Now we need to take for the 11. Okay. We'll check with the 11 as well. Java even version. So nothing will be there. Now we need to install the so Java has been added. Now check the Java version. So now similar to sudo systemctl start Jenkins. So Java Jenkins server failed because the control process exists the code systemctl Start Jenkins and journal same error we getting for this thing. What we required? We required for okay, one thing we do. Sudo yum remove so in Java. So what is the latest version it will be taking? Java version. So version 26, right? Current version. Now we can check. This is also not working. So 21. Previous second class 21 చేసాం కదా లాస్ట్ టైం కూడా. So argument so 21 only working. Okay. So now we can see the status. So currently it is inactive. What we need to do next? We need to connect to the Jenkins server with the help of port number and public IP. So get the password with the help of here, continue. Then install suggested plugins. Batch. Save and continue. Okay, save and finish. Thanks. Start with the Jenkins server. So Jenkins server ready on the. So then it is an offline. It is a bit offline. Now we can go here. So 10 space 1 GB కంటే తక్కువ 1 GB ఉంది. సో దాన్ని మనం ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలంతే. చేయండి. So now go to manage configure system disk space monitoring. Okay, this is fine. Otherwise, delete the temps and increase temp space. Sudo just bring the node online, but still offline. This node. Okay, then go to configuration, disk space monitoring. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి ఇప్పుడు మనం? Go to settings, then configuration system దగ్గర we need to get the configuration. Next, where we go? Configure system disk space monitoring. So general, global, micro, timestamp, administration, global, GitHub, GitHub, GitHub. We are not able to find any disk space configure. Global settings. Jenkins fine. Path is fine. Notes, okay. That is fine. URL. Global. Matrix. Pipeline. Manage Jenkins configure system disk space monitoring. Okay, we need to go here where configure system information, system logs, credential security appearance. Need to go here. This system logs. Go to Jenkins. Okay, we can go for this step. Fix one. Paste neo-h. Okay, this will be good. So we can up to 2 GB. Then we need to check for the temp. So 2 GB came. Now we need to FS tab. Like this. Okay, so save and quit. Now system restart once again. Restarted, right? So now we need to go here, our thing, login again, batch one, huh? Batch one. So now it will be off, come into the online mostly. Go to here, go to Jenkins. So now it will be online, right? No thanks. Now go to settings. The first మనం Jenkins server has been set. So now what we need to do? So we need to do like cluster management. So we need to do the cluster management here. So here 2 GB, okay, time, okay. Then new node. So go to new node. So node Maven agent Maven. Okay. Create. So description, everything is fine. Number of executors. Okay. Remote root directory. Then second. So ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం బేసిక్ గా అంటే లైక్ క్లస్టర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఎందుకు? వై ఇట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ ద క్లస్టర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్? So why it is required? Cluster ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాం మనం ఇప్పుడు బేసిక్ గా? What is the necessity for creating the cluster? సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే సో రిమోట్ రూట్ డైరెక్టరీ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద జెన్కిన్స్ డిఫాల్ట్ డైరెక్టరీ? What is the default directory? So what is the home directory for Jenkins? Varlib Jenkins, right? So user, now it is given as a Jenkins. Okay, I created the Jenkins. The label. So currently what we are planning, so I have a one worker node. In the worker node, what exactly will be where exactly stored in Jenkins, home institute Jenkins. Label in the sense I am give it as in a Maven. So Maven. So usage in the sense only build jobs with label expression matching this node. So when you are trying to build, then we need to check this Maven label. Okay. Launch method, launch agent via SSH. So now we need to provide, so we do the SSH configuration. So when you are working with the agents, we need to do the configurations. So how do, so previously where exactly this type of culture, like this type of environment, where exactly we set up? So do you any idea about it previous? Where exactly it will be happen? సో ఎక్కడ మనం బిల్డ్ చేసాం ఇలాంటి స్ట్రక్చర్? Rohini have 6 months time, but you don't have that much of time. Okay, సో Ansible లో మనం చేసాం కదా. సో SSH కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ వర్కర్, రైట్. సో మనం ఇక్కడ జెన్కిన్స్ సర్వర్లో చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ హోస్ట్ వచ్చేసి, సో అక్కడ Ansible కి మనం ఎలా లైక్ when you try to run a playbook, right? So what are the things we need to create? Inventory file we created, right? In the inventory we provide the public IP. So now we need to go here, agent, right? Go to here, take the private IP. So private IP constant కాబట్టి I need to take the private IP. So then add the credentials. So what I do to go global. So secret text, credentials with secret text. Next, secret. What is the secret? Go to downloads, copy the term, come to here, paste our ID for SSH. Okay. This is not getting a settings, nodes, new node, Maven, Maven, we are not getting, right? Simply you can go to here, credentials, add credentials, and secret text, next, paste our text, SSH, SSH, create, so globally we created. Next, what we need to do, go to manage Jenkins under nodes and new node, like Maven, create, here Maven, number of executor, root directory, home, EC2 user under Jenkins, label as a Maven, launch by SSH, give the private IP and credentials. Why you are not getting credentials? I don't understand. Sorry, username with private key. So here do the mistake. Okay, then we do the mistake. Username EC2 user, add Control C. So username with we are go for the SSH username with private key. Okay, so private key, create, then go to this thing, save. So Maven has been created, right? Then go to the manage Jenkins. So Maven has been launching. Currently launching. So once launching is completed, we will discuss. So when it will be coming to the online, it will be fine. So now similar to we need to log in the our node server as well. Accept. Control plus. Still launching. Now we need to install the Java as well. So meanwhile, so now similarly add the Maven required. So Maven Java has been completed, right? Java icon version. So 21 will be there. Next paste over the Maven. Error not found. So Maven and Jenkins have some conflict will be there. We'll check. Java, Maven will support the some version Java. So recommended this one. Installing. So we have to check. Still it is in launching state. So Maven, next go to the LS. So bar file will be there. So gz file will be there. So we need to extract hyphen xvf. Okay, we are extracted. Now go to the Apache 3. So move Apache 6 to Maven 3. Okay, ls Maven 3. Go to cd Maven 3 ls. So here this is the Maven related configuration file. Later what I need to do. So next I need to command for mvn archetype generate for web app project. Generate. Go to this. Paste. So Maven has been installed, right? Indian command is not working well. We have set up the path as well. Where exactly we need to add profile EC2 home. So better to go here. Escape. Then we need to apply the source. Then we need to check ambient version. Command not found. What could be happen? Yes, ambient is there. Okay. VI. Okay. Okay, no? So then cd maven 3. Then archetype command. Hyphen HVF and respective thing. Next. Then then okay. Up to here clear. So these are the sample projects. Around 3000 plus. Oh, these are the sample projects. We need to take anything. But we required web app project, right? So search 2346. Like 2346 keys with them. Okay. 2346. Three, four, six. Two, three, four, six. It is an archetype. An archetype is contained in sample Maven project, but we required for the sample Maven web app project. This thing 2351. Okay. An archetype is contained in sample Maven web app project. Number 2351. So 2351. So number 8. Okay. Group ID. So group ID in the sense our project name. Form dot batch 1. Then artifact ID. So feature name. So what current feature we are working? Web application snapshot file. So package out of var. Okay. Then yes. So project has been built successfully. Then go to assess. So previously we checked right ls command. సో ప్రీవియస్ ls చేసినప్పుడు మనకి కొన్ని కమాండ్స్ మాత్రం ఉన్నాయి. వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు ls చేస్తే మనకి సోర్స్ అనే ఒక ఫోల్డర్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? సో వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ వచ్చింది కదా, cd web applications. Now go to ls. So this is the pom.xml, this is the source, this is the our actual thing. So ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనము? So we need to go so we need to set up account for the GitHub. Okay na? Sign in. Continue with Google. No. పాస్వర్డ్ అదే కదా. ఓకే, గిటాబ్ అకౌంట్ సైన్ అప్ లేదు. ఒక నిమిషం. సారీ ఫర్ థింగ్. సైన్ అప్, ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి దిస్ వన్, Password also. This one. దీనికి ఆల్రెడీ ఉందా? దీనికి GitHub అకౌంట్ ఉందా ఆల్రెడీ? ఓకే, కంటిన్యూ విత్ యూజర్ నేమ్ జీమెయిల్ ఐడియేనా? యూజర్ నేమ్ ఏమైనా ఉందా? పాస్వర్డ్ ఇదే పాస్వర్డ్ గిటబ్కి. ఓకే, ఇంకా ఫర్గాట్ పాస్వర్డ్ కొట్టనా? ఇది లేదండి. కే ఓకేనా? కే పాస్వర్డ్ సేమ్. Yes, this have. Okay, now thanks. Now go to create repository. Batch 1. Okay, na? Batch 1. Username. Public. And read the file. Create it. So already key the key ఉందా? జనరేట్ చేసావా? చేయలేదా? So go to settings. Go to this thing. So here only go to settings. Go to settings. This is generate a node. Okay, classic. Patch 1. Customize. Customize. Select date. 25th of month. 2027. Okay. Okay, everything is fine. Next, home and repository. The first repository has been created. Then we need to push their code into here itself, right? Git to configure. So command per is username and username and mail. ఇది ఆల్రెడీ చేసే ఉంటారు కదా మీరు గిట్ గ్లోబల్ hyphen email hyphen username ది. So install sudo then install git the git has been created. So these things we need to configure, okay na? So git username, so web application ఒక్కదాన్ని మూవ్ చేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే git so clone చేద్దాం ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. ఓకే, git clone our repo, ఓకేనా? paste, enter. So ls I think batch one is there, right? So now copy web application to batch one, enter, cd batch one ls. Okay. Copy start to yeah cd batch ls. So these are the things we are able to add. Now run these commands. Okay, then without the global setting, progress. Same thing we do. I mean, okay, okay, okay. Okay, no? Sorry, sorry. Okay, right? So now we need to do the git status. So git add dot git commit hyphen m my first. Okay, first to push. So now provide the password as a okay. Okay, now we need to check here the entire code will be came here. Okay, na? So ఇక్కడ మనం వెబ్ యాప్ లోకి వెళ్తే ఒకసారి like Tomcat XML వెళ్తే then see. So what is the group ID? com.batch1. What is the artifact ID? Web application. Version DJ snapshot under development state. DJ web. So var. So it is in what web archive file. Okay. Okay. Now next, then go to here. So based on this, we need to apply the Maven command and create the build. So build create చేయాలి. So ఇక్కడ వరకు చేస్తారా? ఇక్కడ వరకు సెటప్ చేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ Maven Jenkins ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ Tomcat ఎలా డిప్లాయ్ చేయాలని చూద్దాం. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ వరకు చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు మీ